Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable autofill in the Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Autofill allows Firefox to automatically fill in forms such as your name, address and other details, which saves time while browsing. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. In the drop down menu, scroll down and select settings. Under Firefox settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to find addresses and more section. To allow autofill, simply check this one option that says save and autofill addresses. In case you want to disallow autofill, just uncheck this one option. If you want to manage your saved addresses, click on the manage addresses and more. Here you can add, edit or remove your saved address details. After making the changes here, simply close it. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable or disable autofill in Mozilla Firefox. This method is simple, quick and does not require any technical steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.